Now, I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome extension tool to create promotions to show on your site or blog. To give you an example of what we're talking about, we will go look at an example real quick. Here on this page, you can see an example of a product being displayed, and if somebody sees that product and they're interested in it, they can click through and it takes them directly to that product page where they can register as a customer or make the purchase. So how do you make something like that happen? How do you get a product to be promoted on a site like this? How do you cause that to be on your site itself? Well, there's a specific tool that we use or offer you that creates the snippets of code that you'll embed into your site. There's another video that you can watch that shows how to paste these snippets of code into a website using any web administrative tool, but that's a separate video. For this video, we'll just show you how to capture those snippets of code that you need. So you would go to ordering and go to Apps and Feature Center. And once you get to this page, you do a search for APN. And this lists the tools that are available for you to use with APN today. The one we're going to review in this video is the sidebar. It's really a Chrome extension. We call it the sidebar. You click on it. It gives you some more detailed information and even some sample screenshots about what this tool is. And if you hit the Get It Now, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. And this is where you can have the APN Sidebar Chrome extension added to your Chrome browser. This only works with Chrome browsers. If you did not already have it installed, this little blue button here would say Add Extension. You would click it, and it would take care of everything for you. I already have it added. Once it gets added as an extension in your browser, it looks like this little blue icon. And when you hover over it, you see the term APN Sidebar. Once you have it installed, the first thing you want to do is right-click on it and go to Options and put your publisher ID right here. So in another video, I discuss where to find your publisher ID. So you can go find that video. After you put your publisher ID in here, you can experiment with checking these boxes yourself. Checking these boxes just causes it to display more information when the extension is invoked. I typically just want to see the last three things here, but you can experiment with that once you get it installed. This will make more sense in just a moment. So you save that. Now you've got the extension installed. You have your publisher ID inserted. The way you use the tool is you go to shop.com, and remember, you have to be in a Chrome browser. Once you get to shop.com, you navigate to a product page that you're interested in. So we'll go to the heavy duty concentrate. And once you are on the product page, you can go click on that Chrome extension and it pops up a little window to the side, thus the name Sidebar. So you have this little side pop-up window that comes up, and it gives you three options for promotions that you can put on your site or blog. This first one is the more elaborate one. It's got the shop.com logo, an image of the product, the title of the product, the price, and the potential cashback, and the Shop Now action button. This other option here is just the image itself, and then you also have a third option where it's just the title of the product. This may be good if you're embedding this inside of an article or a newsletter. So you have all three of these options. And if you wanted to use this first option, you would just simply copy this snippet of code here and then go paste it into your site or blog in the appropriate place where you want it to be presented. Same with this second option. You just copy this snippet of code, or you copy this snippet of code. So it's that simple. And any product page you go to, you can do the same thing. You can do this as often as you want. So that's pretty simple to do, and it's a very powerful tool. Well, next you'll see in some of the other videos how to use the widget wizard, and you'll also see another video of how to paste these snippets of code into your website. But for now, this is all we're going to talk about in this video. Thank you very much, and look for other APN videos.